In this code, we have imported the sys library, sys. We have defined a variable specific word to which we have assigned value nothing. After that, we are calculating the number of parameters that we are passing. So this function is calculating the length of parameters. In the Python program, the first parameter, the argument which is passed, is always the name of the program. So there'll be always one argument. So we are calculating if there are more than one arguments. If there are more than one arguments, the first argument after the name of the program will be assigned to the specific word. After that, we have defined two more variables. Numwords, which is an integer, has been assigned to 0, and counter is also 0. Here we are reading the file data text in the read-only format. So the lines from the file are in this variable. So we are reading the program now again line by line. Here we are printing the lines. After that, we are splitting the line into words. And in this function, we are calculating the number of words, and that value will be assigned to words. Here further, what we are doing is we are calculating, again checking if the argument was passed. If there are more than one argument, if it is yes, the argument is considered as a word which is passed to the program. So we are taking the words one by one in each line. So each word is compared with the specific word that we have transferred, passed as a parameter, as a one more argument with the name of the program. If the word is that specific word which we are trying to find in the program, the counter will be increased. This is the function. This is the to calculate the number of specific words in the program. So this loop will continue to calculate the specific word, and this loop will calculate the total number of words. So here at the end, we are printing the total number of words in a file, and this variable contains the total number of words in the file. Here we are again checking if there is any variable passed along with the name of the file. We are also printing that specific word, the number of occurrences of that specific word in the program. So we are running this program on the command line. Here we are passing, first we are running the program without any argument. So this is the content of our file. And because there are 17 words, so the result is total number of words in a file is 17. Now we are running the program with a specific word we are passing over here. So let's say we pass the word fuzzy. So if you can see, the word fuzzy is 1, 2, 3 times in the program. Here the word fuzzy is in the small letters. The F is small, that's why it's not considering this value. And we are getting the answer as 3. So in the second one, we are also getting the total number of words, and the total number of fuzzy word in 5 is equal to 3.